Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we continue our lesson topic 2.16 marginal functions in economics. Okay, first I divided this topic into four main parts. Okay, the first one we have cost function, second we have revenue, the third one we have profit, and the last one is break even. So I begin with cost function first. Okay, for the cost function, it denoted by Cx, okay, x, where x is the quantity of the products. Definition for cost, okay, the total cost of products producing x unit during some units of time. Okay, by the way, you can refer your book page D72. Okay. Okay, later in your exercise, the question asks you to find what is the marginal cost, rate of change, or approximate cost of the next unit. So to find all of this, you have to differentiate the cost function. Okay, what does it mean by marginal cost? Marginal cost is the additional cost incurred as a result of producing one more unit. Normally in business, if the company producing too many products, so means that the company is actually incurring cost. Okay, so now for marginal cost, we are trying to calculate the cost of each item produced. Okay. And then for the approximate cost of the next unit, for example, you are trying to approximate for the 6th item. Okay, so you have to differentiate. Okay, you have to use the function c prime x, meaning that, for example, if you write like this, okay, c5, meaning that you are trying to approximate the cost of the 6th item. Okay. Okay, so now we proceed. After we have average cost, the formula for average cost is Cx, okay, divided by x, meaning that cost divided by the quantity of products. And last one we have, okay, let's say the question asks you to find what is the actual cost. Okay, the actual cost meaning that to find the actual cost, for example, for the 11th unit, okay, the method is you have to substitute the number of quantity into cost. Okay, for example, here is 11. Substitute into C minus C10, the quantity before that. Okay, just deduct, you'll get the value later. Okay, now we proceed with the second one, which is revenue. The definition, okay, before we move to the definition, okay, R we denoted as Rx, okay, capital of Rx. Okay, the definition is the total amount of income generated by the sale of goods. Here we have formula for revenue. Price multiplied by, okay, the selling price multiplied by the quantity, which is X. So Px, so you have to remember this. Okay, same goes to revenue. Here we also have marginal revenue, rate of change, and approximate revenue of the next item. So you have to differentiate the revenue to get all of this. Then the third one we have profit. Okay, profit denoted by capital of P. The formula to calculate profit is the, okay, revenue Rx minus cost Cx. Same goes to profit. Here to find the marginal profit, rate of change, approximate profit or loss from the sale of an additional unit. So you have to differentiate the profit function. Okay. Now profit we use capital of P, but for profit you use small p. Last one is break even. Okay, for the break even, I'll show you in the form of graph right now. So here we have, okay, for the y-axis Rm, and then x is the quantity. Let's say we have two graphs, two lines on the same graph. Here we have graph of cost, color, and red line we have sales. Okay, the point where these two lines meet, we call this one as break even point. Okay, where the break even point is the level of production at which the firm neither makes a profit nor sustain a loss. Okay, kalau in Malay we say that macam tak untung tak rugi macam tu. Okay, so meaning that kat sini akan ada letter point X. Okay, that's all. This is for chapter 2.16. After this we try some exercise and we discuss later. Okay, thank you.